That question, and frankly, the answers that employees gave us as this pandemic hit, sent us down a remarkable path. Driven by a strong desire to take care of our employees, we quickly, and I mean like overnight quickly, launched Be Well Together, a webinar series that's designed to bring the wisdom of a wide range of well-being experts to our employees and to you, our customers, our partners, and our communities. Our goal is simple: help people develop healthy habits that will carry them through this pandemic and beyond it. Over the course of the last 8 months, we've stayed current on the state of COVID with the world's leading epidemiologist, Dr. Larry Brilliant. We've been enlightened by the power of our breath with the Plum Village Monastics, improved our sleeping habits with the help of Ariana Huffington, and got tips for dealing with isolation from astronaut Steve Smith. And we have had some fun along the way too. Celebrity nutritionist Kelly LeVeque taught us that healthy eating can be quick and tasty. Fitness expert Patricia Moreno got our hearts pumping, and we had some serious laughs with Second City. The series also has us reflecting on what really matters. Dr. Uché Blackstock educated us on racial inequality and its impacts on well-being. We addressed topics like the health of our planet with conservationist Jane Goodall, and supported parents with our pandemic parenting series. I am still moved by the invaluable wisdom that will stay with us for a lifetime.
We have the ability right now, with undistracted focus, to look internally and visualize what is and what isn't working.
Fear is not failure. Fear is okay, but I need you to sit in being courageous.
Life is uncertain, yes, but full of opportunity still.
I am so excited for you to be able to learn from all of these speakers. So do yourself a favor, prioritize you. Take advantage of all of this incredible content. You can check it out on the Employee Health and Wellbeing page of the Salesforce Resource Center. And be happy, be healthy, and just be well.